Hi everyone, and welcome to my first ever video on this fun, glowy, peachy summer makeup look. And if I'm gonna be honest with you, I hate editing this video and it's taking forever, so we're just gonna go right into it because I can't do this anymore. So I'm starting off with freshly moisturized skin, and I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Pore Minimize Primer. And I'm taking this on my fingers and I'm gonna put that in the center of my face, focusing on my T-zone and wherever I have pores. And then I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm gonna dot that all over my face, but concentrating it in the center where I need the most coverage. So I have a couple of breakouts on my forehead, got dark circles from watching tasty videos at 2 a.m. So I gotta cover those up, and then some hyperpigmentation around my nose. And I'm just gonna blend in that foundation with a damp beauty blender, starting from the outside and working my way in. So next I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pot Concealer, and I'm stupid and didn't realize that this was a discontinued product. But you can pretty much use any concealer, and I'm putting this under my eyes and again in the middle of my forehead because that's where the foundation didn't cover completely. And again, I'm gonna blend that out with my damp sponge. Next I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer Stick in Baked, and I'm just going to put a stripe on the hollows of my cheekbones, on the underside of my jaw. And I got a wide ass face, so I'm putting a lot of product on my forehead and temples because, as you can see, that's the widest part of my face, but contour to what your face shape is like. I don't know if that made sense, but whatever. Next I'm going to set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm just going to set the areas where I put concealer, so on my forehead and under my eyes. Damn, I am being really aggressive with this. Alright, next I'm going to give myself a nose job, and I'm using the ColourPop powder shadows in Wake Up Call and Conundrum, and I'm mixing the two with a round blending brush, and I'm going to put that around the tip of my nose and then on the area where my nose meets my brow bone. So I'm just going to tuck it in that little crevice there. And then using a flat angled sort of narrower brush, I'm going to really slowly draw two lines using the same shades down the sides of my nose, and I'm trying to keep it really light. And then I'm going to blend it out with the Fit Me powder again, just to make sure it's not too harsh. Next I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in Bear With Me, and I'm using this as a cream blush. And I'm just putting a couple of dots on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to blend that out with my fingers. Next I'm going to take the ColourPop shadow in Ready or Yacht, haha, get it? And I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose and my nose bridge, but I'm not going to connect the two because that gives like the more button nose effect. And And I'm also going to take it on a fluffy highlighting brush and put it on the high points of my cheeks, my brow bone, and my temple for that summer sweaty glow. So I did my brows off camera using the Innisfree brow pencil, and then I'm going in with my Morphe 25B eyeshadow palette, and using these two shades, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to start buffing that into my outer corner and my crease area, and then I'm going to start flicking the shadow outwards to form sort of like a winged shadow shape. Then I'm taking this deeper, sort of more terracotta shade on a pencil brush, and I'm just deepening out the outer corners. And I'm also going to put that onto my lower lash line, and I want to make sure I blend that out because we're just trying to define the lower lash line and we're trying to make it not look so harsh. Then I'm using the Banella Co. Eye Crush Super Bling Glitter in Nuclear Pretty, which is also how I like to describe myself on dating apps. And I'm going to take that and pat it onto my eyelids with my fingertips, just making sure that the glitter is super diffused because I don't want it to get too patchy, which can sometimes happen with these liquid glitters. And now I'm going to take it and put it on the inner half of my lower lash line just for a little pop. And next I'm going to take the NYX matte liquid liner and I'm going to make a winged liner shape. So starting by making the wing out from the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to start from the inner corner and start drawing really close to the lash line. And then near the end, I'm going to flick it out and fill in this shape. So my biggest advice when it comes to doing wing liner is that slow and steady wins the race, but slow and steady also makes me late for work half the time, so you just really got to choose your priorities on this one. So next I'm going in with my CoverGirl Supersizer Big Curl Mascara, and I'm just going to coat my upper lashes so that they don't stand out when I put on falsies later. And I just popped on some Ardell Wispies off camera, and then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in First Time, and I'm just going to pop that all over my lips. So that's pretty much the finished look. It's super simple, perfect for summer. Don't want to keep editing this video, so yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, all of that, I don't know, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.